all, today we are going to make beetroot cutlets.
The ingredients are 1 beetroot, 3 potatoes, 1 carrot, green peas little, 200 grams cabbage, 1 tablespoon ghee, 2 to 3 onions, 3 tablespoons maida, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, breadcrumbs, chili powder 1 teaspoon, ghee for frying and salt to taste. In low flame, fry the onions in ghee for 2 to 3 minutes. Chop all the vegetables finely. Add the chopped vegetables along with the turmeric powder, chili powder and salt and continue to cook in low flame. Sprinkle maida on the vegetables, mix well. Mash the vegetables, add the coriander and green chilies to it. Shape into cutlets. And dip in maida slurry. You may also use cornflour slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs. And fry in a tawa. Delicious cutlets are ready.
Hope you enjoyed. See you next time with another simple recipe. Thank you.
And I've been counting days to get